Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Verma. Today we are going to make program to calculate gross salary from HRA, DA and TA. Here hash signify this is a comment. We are taking one variable BS, which means basic salary. This is equal to, we are taking input from user. So input command we are using. In the bracket, in the double quotes we are mentioning enter basic salary. Whatever the input we are taking from user, that will be coming as string. So we need to convert to integer. So we are typecasting it. So the input will be converted to integer and stored to the basic salary BS. Now calculating the HRA. So HRA is a variable that is equal to, let's say it is 15% of basic salary. So I'm taking 15 into basic salary divided by 100. So now we are going to print this. So print, in the double quotes we are mentioning HRA concatenating with the variable. Next we are calculating DA. So DA variable we are taking, let's say it is 5% of basic salary. So 5 into basic salary divided by 100. Now we are going to print this. So printing, in the double quotes we are mentioning DA concatenating using comma with the variable. Next we are calculating TA, which is traveling allowance. That is equal to, let's say, 2%. So 2 into basic salary divided by 100. Printing this, print, in the bracket we are mentioning traveling allowance concatenating with the variable. Now we are going to calculate the gross salary. So GS is equal to basic salary plus HRA plus DA plus TA. Now printing this gross salary. So print, in the double quotes, gross salary and concatenating with the variable. Now we are going to run this program. Here it is asking enter basic salary. Let's say the basic salary is 1 lakh. And here we can see that the HRA 15%, DA is 5% and TA is 2%. And the total salary which is coming is gross salary, and that is 1,22,000. So that's all for today. Thank you.